Welcome back, everybody. I'm working on the BMW 330 Ci 2005, my time capsule, I'm going to call it that. And I'm going to take a look at the power steering fluid and see what it looks like. All right, let's get this open, and it says ATF only on the lid. And boy, yeah, okay. I got a little piece of paper here. Let me move the camera a bit. It's bad. There we go. I'm gonna see if this works. It's real brown. In fact, there's no red left in it. The container looks terrible. I've already ordered one, and I do have some Dextron 3 hydraulic fluid, so I'm going to go ahead and try to get as much of this out as possible and start circulating the new fluid through it. Here's the new one, by the way. Let me put that next to it. That's what the new fluid should look like. So if you see that in your car, yeah, it's time to change, past time to change your power steering fluid. All right, so I'm going to use a fluid extractor to get as much of this stuff as we can out of here. It's pretty brown. Yeah, that looks, oops, which way am I going? There we go. That looks really bad. Yeah. So I'm using Liquid Moly, not sponsored, ATF Top Tech 1200. This is compatible with both the transmission and the power steering. And we're going to cycle this through and mix it in. And I'm just going lock to lock, getting all that fluid to circulate, mix. That was real bad. Turning the wheel back and forth, lock to lock, circulate the fluid again. All right, let's do this again. All right, I took it for another drive. Probably a good 20 minutes, a couple of cul-de-sacs through the neighborhood, and a lot of turns to really get this to mix. So this will be our last one until the reservoir and the new fluid arrives and so forth. All right, I think that's it for this one. Like I said, I got a new reservoir coming, which has a filter in it, and that's going to be important to capture some of the stuff. New fluid coming. Anyway, thanks for watching. A lot more to come on the E46 and the rest of the garage group here. So have a great day. Thanks for watching.